To complete the function for the p-controller, we're computing the difference, multiply by our large number, and then clamp the result. If this product is smaller than 0, negative that is, 0 will be the maximum. If this inner value is larger than 200, the minimum will be 200. So this min and max does the job. We could also use in construction with if, but that would take several lines of code. And in the forward Euler solver for the velocity of the rim, we simply insert the result of the control as the deceleration of the brake. And of course we are plugging in the optimum value of 0.2 for the target. If you look at the result, you see that the wheel slip indeed stays close to 0.2, a little less, but just before the car comes to a complete stop, strange things happen. We are multiplying tiny errors by huge numbers. That's pretty dangerous when it comes to instability. When you use this type of controller, you have to be really careful about stability. But actually, in the next segment, we are going to show that we can't use this type of controller anyway, for completely different reasons.